Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is Restoration Rescue, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit more sandblasting to get ready to put stuff on this frame. All right guys, so as you can see, the frame is completely painted, both sides, every inch of it. We have primed it and painted it. We did it off camera, but it's all done. So we use this 2K Aero spray from Eastwood. This is the satin black finish. We went with satin black for the frame, and we're gonna use it for some of the parts that we're gonna spray paint later on. So it also came with the primer. We did the primer first, then this. When you use this, it's a two-part paint, so this comes off the cap. You just gotta put it on the bottom and push it down on a hard surface so it mixes the paint. Shake it up real well, and it works amazing. It shoots just like you would as a spray gun, but just in rattle can form, which makes it 100% easier to use. So that's where we're at. And this is what the frame looks like. All right guys, as you can see, the frame came out amazing. Took a lot of time, but we got it done. So in today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sandblast this front cross member, get this down, and then we're gonna paint and prime it. Prime and paint it. The same thing with the rear end. Rear end, we still need to rebuild. We couldn't get a rebuild kit in time to do that, but that's coming up. So these two trailing arms are trashed, unfortunately. They are rusted through, and they're just not worth saving. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy brand new ones and have them shipped in. So that's what's gonna happen there. So unfortunately, we had to spend a little bit more money than we wanted to. We were hoping to save these, but it's just not in the cards. So let's get to sandblasting. As you can see on this part, we do have a little bit that's already been sandblasted. That's because we did a review on this in one of our Wednesday videos. So make sure you check that out after you're done watching this video. All right, we got this thing sandblasted the best we can. Dried off or sprayed off of all the dust and everything. We got a wire brush into the places that we couldn't really get to. So we're gonna use our 2K Aero spray primer. It is an epoxy, so you gotta shake it up a little bit. After you shake it off, you take this fancy little cap off, you put it on the bottom, you find a hard surface. We're gonna just use this. You push it down, you'll feel it, and it'll hit, and then you can get rid of it like that. And then shake it up some more, get rid of the cap, like that, and then it's time to start spray painting. So this, you apply it just like you would if you're spray paint or regular painting, nice long strokes, just like this. All right guys, so the priming is done. You should wait about 20 to 30 minutes, up to even an hour, to let it dry so it's not tacky anymore. Ours is not tacky, so we're gonna get ready and start spraying it with the 2K Aero chassis black paint, which we used over here in the frame, which looks great. So we're gonna put this thing on the bottom and hopefully All right, my head isn't hard enough, so let's try the ground. Nope. There we go. Guess that steel plate in the head isn't worth anything. So we're gonna start spray painting this thing and hopefully get both sides done before the end of the day. So let's do this. All right, guys, that's going to take care of it today. We have finished taking care of this. It's ready to go on the truck in an upcoming episode. Make sure you guys hang out and stay with us. Make sure if you like the video, you hit the like button. Make sure 100% you guys are subscribed to the channel. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for joining us, and see you next Saturday.